Well folks, welcome to the latest video. So we have yet another box of rods from the dealers in Dublin. We're going to be looking at those very shortly. Some of these are really old, so they should be really nice antiques, but they may need a bit of restoration, I think. Okay, so firstly we have, this is a J. Bernard. J. Bernard, very high quality maker. But if you look closely you can see the tips are the correct length. If you go down to the end here, you can kind of see that they do need a little bit of adjustment because they're not straight anymore. They've been stood against a wall or something like that. And also, if you kind of look close, see there the splits. So that can be fixed. It's not a problem. The rod is pretty well intact. Now going back to the handle, on the brass at the end of the rod there it says J. Bernard. J. Bernard are quite high quality makers from London. You look at the handle, it does need a clean up. The condition is really good, really. Certainly very doable. So here we have another cane rod. So you might be forgiven for thinking that these are possibly American rods. This is very slightly short tipped. These mounts at the end look like they're American, but in actual fact they're not. They're all English, these rods. So this particular rod does not have any markings on the end here. It does say J. Peak, Grayson Road, London. So we know this is a London rod from the early days of Palaconas. So next we have an English style rod with English style mounts on it. It's very slightly short tipped, but it isn't too bad really. It is really old though. This is really early 1900. They've got a butt cap here made from rubber from the Empire. It says Albert Smith, Dominion Works, Redditch. Albert Smith's quite a famous maker in those days. Obviously no longer in business now, but again this rod is largely intact and very restorable. Okay, so lastly we have this one here. So as you can see it says Malloch of Perth. Malloch of Perth, very famous, very high quality maker from the fly fishing era in the 1890s. So look at that. Oh, you can see the condition already is absolutely stunning. So that's a really nice rod in really nice condition. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is really nice. So that'll come up for sale soon, and really pleased with that, I tell you, for sure. So thanks very much for watching folks. It's been this little video. Thanks very much.